Within the last 48 hours, Google split its AI hardware architecture to handle autonomous workloads, while Snap reduced its workforce by 16%. These moves mark a pivot from simple conversational AI towards systems that execute tasks independently. This update tracks the major infrastructure and model releases from Google, OpenAI, Meta, and Snap. Operations that previously required human-in-the-loop chat interactions are being replaced by autonomous agent execution. Snap has eliminated 1,000 positions, a 16% reduction in its total headcount. CEO Evan Spiegel cited specific efficiency gains to justify the cuts. AI agents now generate over 65% of Snap's new code, which is expected to save the company $500 million by next year. This internal shift coincides with the launch of Cursor 3, an interface that replaces the traditional chat window with a dedicated agents window. It allows developers to run multiple AI coding agents in parallel across local and cloud environments. Software development is increasingly measured by agent integration rather than human headcount, as autonomous tools take over active code generation. To support this transition, Google launched Workspace Intelligence and the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. These tools provide a semantic layer across Drive and Gmail, which Google claims can speed up spreadsheet generation by 9 times. OpenAI is competing for the same enterprise space with its new Workspace agents. These are shared, always-on tools powered by Codex that integrate directly into Slack and Salesforce. A free research preview is currently available through May 6th. Microsoft is addressing the security requirements of these autonomous tools with its open-source Agent Governance Toolkit. As shown in this architecture, the toolkit enforces safety policies at sub-millisecond speeds to mitigate the 10 primary risks associated with agentic AI. The infrastructure to deploy and secure agents is now integrated into the standard corporate software stack. The hardware itself is specializing. This diagram shows Google's 8th-generation TPU architecture, which for the first time is split into 2 chips, the 8T for training massive superpods and the 8I for inference, offering 80. Further down, Google's Gemma 4 shows a 20-fold improvement in coding benchmarks, while Alibaba's Qwen 3.6 27B outperforms massive mixture of experts models in agentic tasks. Development has branched away from general-purpose assistance towards a combination of specialized physical hardware and domain-specific reasoning engines. Google expanded its multi-model tools, releasing Veo 3.1 Lite for video, Lyria 3 Pro for music, and Gemini 3.1 Flash for multi-speaker dialogue. All outputs from these models are watermarked with SynthID. Key catalysts are scheduled over the next 60 days: the launch of DeepSeek V4, the end of OpenAI's free agent preview on May 6th, Microsoft Build's multi-agent sessions in June, and Apple's WWDC, where a redesigned Siri is expected to be the centerpiece. The move from prompt-based interaction to independent agent orchestration is underway. Effective deployment now depends on the security and infrastructure protocols established today. That concludes this briefing.